Oh, Bitsy, what is wrong?
Oh, Siska, it is my phone. It's so ugly.
Now, Bitsy, let's see what we can do to make her look pretty. Firstly, touch and hold your screen. You will see little minus signs appear on top of the app icons. Tap on the edit button. Select Customize. You can toggle between small or large icons. iPhone icons are automatically set to the light option, but you can toggle between a darker contrast, a balanced contrast between light and dark, or lastly, a more monochromatic color palette.
Megabyte, come join us. Siska helped me to personalize my icons.
Wow, Bitsy, that's iconic.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family.
Your support helps us to create more fun and helpful videos.